good. Like feel much better, right? Each time.
Session 3.
Same thing.
Feeling a little loose.
Little better.
Feel like a
little
little
better.
Now, it feels way better.
Okay, good.
I can't wait till actually we get to a point where no pain or anything. But definitely getting a lot better.
Okay.
Mobility has actually improved a lot, and then I haven't been waking up with pain like I used to.
Oh, before you sleep.
Like before, whenever I'll wake up and then I'll have to stretch literally right after getting out of bed. Like it was getting out of hand. Today, there's been some days where I woke up with no pain and everything. I'm like,
oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, thank you, Carlo. Thank you.